Fabulous new construction in Oak Creek Subdivision, convenient to everything South Tyler. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-car garage home has many custom features throughout. Upon entry, the beautiful wood floors, open floor plan, fireplace with built-ins, and soaring ceilings immediately draw you in. The stylish kitchen with stainless appliances, granite countertops, gorgeous stained island with bar seating, walk-in pantry with plugs for small appliances, and custom cabinetry lends itself well to everyday living or entertaining with ease. The split master bedroom with ensuite bath is a pleasant retreat with its separate vanities, soaking tub and shower, water closet, and large walk-in closet. 2 additional guest rooms share a full hall bath and provide ample space downstairs for family or guests. Completing the downstairs space is a luxurious laundry room with extra cabinetry, space for an extra refrigerator or freezer, sink, and herringbone tiled floor. Abundance of storage throughout. Upstairs is the 4th bedroom with full bath, walk-in closet, and mini-split. This space could easily be used as a bonus/flex room as well. Outside, enjoy the large, covered back porch, a perfect area for an outdoor living space. This is a gorgeous home. Come see. Come buy.